This is going to be a video tutorial on how to hide or show the bookmarks bar in the palemoon web browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. Okay, I have the palemoon web browser opened up now. As you can see up top here, my bookmarks bar is enabled. It's showing. To enable it or disable it, it's very easy to do. First thing you want to do is go off to the upper right hand corner, and the third button from the right here is your bookmarks button. I'm going to click on that, and right here the very first thing, view bookmarks toolbar. As you can see, I have a check next to mine is enabled. I'm going to click on it again, and as you can see here, my bookmarks toolbar has disappeared. To turn it on, it's the exact same steps. I'm going to go up to the bookmarks button up here. I'm going to click on it. And right here, view bookmarks toolbar. I'm going to click on it again. And as you can see, it has reappeared. That is how to hide or show the bookmarks toolbar in the palemoon web browser. Thanks for watching.